A very good morning to my respected supervisor, Mr. Asanuddin bin Hassan. I am Bavithraa Murthy. My matric number A18A0083. I am from SAR Programme. So today I am here to present about my industrial training at SAR North Malaysia Sdn Bhd. So first is the background of industry. SAR is a company that is known worldwide and has been existed for 48 years. SAR North Malaysia Sdn Bhd was established in 1974 and officially opened in 1976 in Sungai Petani, Kedah, Malaysia. Hence, it has a long and successful history, a company that begins with a invention of mechanical pencils into developing electronic calculators, which later end up inventing electronic appliances such as televisions, radios, washing machines, and LCD televisions. The name Sharp was derived from a mechanical pencil called Ever Sharp Pencil. The managing director of SAR North Malaysia Sdn Bhd is Mr. Kurt Sudoshitarokka. Besides, SAR North Malaysia Sdn Bhd is a part of manufacturing and assembling of a range of electrical and electronics audio products, procurement activities, as well as entrustment jobs. Okay, the next slide shows the image of SAR North Malaysia Sdn Bhd, which located at Sungai Petani, Kedah, and this is the place now I am doing my internship. And the second image shows the logo of SAR North Malaysia Sdn Bhd. Okay, the next is vision and mission of SAR North Malaysia Sdn Bhd. The vision is, through our rigorous process, we collaborate with new and existing customers to refine, design, prepare for volume manufacturing and launch successful products. And the mission is to originate technologies that enhance lifestyles and support individual expressions. We create inspirational and innovative solutions that let you be you. The departments that I involved in SAR North Malaysia Sdn Bhd to do my internships are production control, logistic parts control, inventory, estate control production, store operation, and also shipping and warehouse department. I was assigned to do my internship in SAR North Malaysia Sdn Bhd more than 5 departments because my industrial supervisors, Ms. Roslina and Mr. Nathan, wants me to gain more knowledge and experience before I end my internship in this company, and I really want to thank them for this opportunity because normally if students went for their internship, they just involved in one department that related to their course, but here for me totally different. I have learned the overall job scope flow of SAR North Malaysia Sdn Bhd throughout my 16 weeks of internship. Okay, the next is scope of exposure. As I told just now, I was appointed in production control, logistic parts control, store operation, and shipping and warehouse department. I have learned how they receive the order from customers and how they set contract number for each model that will run in production. And also, I learned how to prepare the 4 months final production schedule by taking into lead time, new model start date, customer requirements, and at the same time, manpower will be calculated to estimating the optimum number of workers and standard time to complete the output, and also learn how to record the informations in PPSI and SAP system. The purpose of SAP system in SAR North Malaysia Sdn Bhd is enable every department to access and share common data to create a better work environment. For example, from SAR North Malaysia Sdn Bhd, buying parts till the export details will be in the SAP system. Besides, I also learned how to control the incoming parts in store and receiving the parts from suppliers with the invoice and deal with suppliers regarding the defective and spoilage parts. Every time when I receive the parts from suppliers, make sure receive with invoice. If not, it's considered as illegal and company cannot accept the parts. I was also assigned to do physical inventory to identify and control the stock level of SAR North Malaysia Sdn Bhd products. For example, If we get the less inventory in company, the more profit company can gain. I also have learned to create pick list for store, easy to kitting the parts and easy to issue the parts to production, and invoice entry for accounts purpose. And also I learned to do part purchase requisition. PPR is about department own budget to buy extra parts or additional buy that given by company, and purchase requisition is for the broken part that caused by the fire and wet, and this one can claim by company. I also learned about production process, which from the input till the complete output, and I have also created serial number for complete sets. The purpose is easy to trace and replace the defective parts. And also I learned the shipping and warehouse process, such as creating shipping plan, booking confirmation, courier arrangement, pallet tracking system, and warehouse loading process till ready to export. And here are some pictures of mine during my internship journey. Okay, the next is contribution to industry. I have contributed all my skills and knowledge for Sharp North Malaysia Sdn Bhd to achieve goals, and I have do that by improving customer relationships. For example, I making and attending phone calls from customers, and it's fulfill and satisfy the customer's requirement and giving a positive feedbacks, which help the company to keep dealing business with them continuously. And also I boosting my team members every time, for example giving and accepting the moral supports and ideas each other, and find the solution together to solving the problems on time, and we separate and share the task giving to make everyone in comfort zone working. Okay, the next is suggestion to improvement. The first is precautions acts by employees. For example, employee must follow the dress code according to the workplace in order to protect against common workplace accidents, and employee must maintain personal hygiene such as cleanliness to prevent illness at work, and also employees should take responsibility for their personal safety. I also suggest to increase the number of employees in company for the strong growth and to manage the current workload. Besides, I also suggest to boost the latest updates of the company. For example, provide regular feedbacks to employees where employees can access real-time business news and information, and it is one of the best ways to keep everyone up to date. And lastly, I also suggest Sharp North Malaysia Sdn Bhd to speed up the computer performance to make workers easy to do work and to reduce delay issue. Okay, the next is challenges of task execution. The challenges that I faced during my internship journey is I have made mistakes at the beginning because I am new to this company and it really takes time for me to learn the process. The second challenge that I have faced during my internship is I have done multitasking at one duration, especially when my team members didn't come to work. I have to replace their place while I have to do my task at the same time. I also follow up with customers' requirement on time. Okay, the next is added value in students. Firstly, time management. I had learned to manage my schedules properly and done all the tasks given accordingly to the instruction as well, and I had managed to gather data and complete all the tasks on time. Okay, the second is importance of teamwork. I had realized and accepting the importance of teamwork, which work together to finish the task which more professional and perfect, with always meet the colleagues and HOD to discuss and learn the task given more details. The third is communication skills. I was assigned to always attending the phone calls from customers to either clarify bookings or fulfill the customers' needs. And the fourth is dedication. I had complete all the tasks given, which doing release booking, shorting delay notices, shorting the emails before going back home. Last but not least, I had gained a lot of knowledge and experience and also confidence throughout my internship journey. I also have done my industrial presentation in Sharpnath, Malaysia, Sdn Bhd with my industrial supervisor and managers. That's all from me. Thank you.